Well, hello, Howard Garrett here. Time for a little Dirt Doctor tip. One of the most common questions that I get from people when they're thinking about going into this natural organic world that I teach is how do you fertilize and how do you take care of fruit trees with this organic approach? How do you spray? How do you take care of pests? All that kind of thing. Well, I'll go through it quickly here, but the best tip for you is to go to dirtdoctor.com and look under guides, all in capital letters on the homepage. And under guides, you'll find all the programs and all the formulas that I recommend, the recipes and all that. And you'll also find the organic fruit and pecan tree program there. The big change is that we spray real early in the year, not with anything that kills. I don't want to spray orange oil or horticultural oil or dormant oil because those things will kill overwintering insects and even some microbes better than killing the targeted pests. So what we do is at pink bud, in other words, when the buds are swelling on your fruit trees, we spray with repellents. My favorite is garlic pepper tea. You can use just garlic oil mixed with water. That works pretty well too. Garlic pepper tea is not on the market as a commercial product. You'll have to use my formula, but it's very simple and it's under guides on the homepage again. And we can mix the Garrett juice with it and make it even work better. So we spray the first time at pink bud, then we spray the second time after the flowers have produced and fallen from the tree. And then the third spraying is early summer. Here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it's June. Depending on where you are, it might vary a little bit, but basically that's how it works. Real early spring, garlic pepper tea and Garrett juice. After the flowers have fallen from the plants, the second spraying with the same stuff, Garrett juice and garlic pepper tea, and then the third spraying early summer. If you have done all of the rest of the organic program, the basic organic fruit and pecan tree program, everything will work even better, but that's the spray part of it. The most important thing you can do for the health of your fruit trees, though, as step one, before the spraying even comes into play, is expose the flares, expose the base of the trees. The flare being exposed is the natural way the tree should be. That flare is part of the trunk more than the root system. It's a transition zone, but it's more part of the trunk than the roots. And when it's exposed to air, it breathes properly, the tree's out of stress, and you don't have the insect and disease problems. Take a look at the overall program. It's there for you on dirtdoctor.com under guides, and get started with your natural organic program with your fruit trees, and everything else actually works even easier than the fruit trees. I'm Howard Garrett, the Dirt Doctor, and I'll see you next time.